take that off. Very good. Keep going. Perfect. Keep going. You gotta go all the way out.
I know.
You know, yeah, big electrician, I know. Pull it out. Just pry it out.
Doesn't want to come out.
It's old. You have to move it the way you have to move it to wrap it over that screw. All right, keep going till it's taut. It's tight?
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool. Now go do the hot side, the black one. Again. All right, keep going till it's tight. All right, squeeze it in there. Then you gotta get your drill.
Mm-hmm.
Screw in those set screws. Yeah, just push the wires back down there. Push the wires back. Just like that. Nice.
I learned how to put an outlet in.
And the tricks?
What tricks?
Things to do to make it easier?
Mm-hmm. And the trick. You gotta remember the 6 when you do this, because then it's gonna be harder.
That's right.
And